Most people assume that a 40-year-old irrigation system is a total loss, a six-figure headache waiting to happen. But what if you could turn that rusty relic into a modern, eco-friendly powerhouse without tearing up the entire landscape? Hello, I'm Raysa Molina from Land Design Academy. In this case of study, we're looking at how a phased retrofit strategy transformed an outdated 1980s suburban system, cutting water use by 60% and saving the client $35,000 a year. Here is how we moved from old to gold. We had fixed sprinklers wasting water on sidewalks and roads, creating runoff pollution and constant complaints from environmental groups. A full replacement was estimated at $150,000, a daunting cost that threatened major site disruptions. Instead of a total overhaul, we chose a smarter path, the phased retrofit. I developed a specific workflow to minimize downtime while maximizing gains. 1. Audit existing infrastructure. We identify reusable components. Not everything needs to go in the trash. 2. Low flow and drip conversion. We install precision nozzles and convert planter beds to drip systems where possible. 3. The brain upgrade. Adding rain sensors and evapotranspiration (ET) controllers to ensure the system reacts to real-time weather. Zone reconfiguration. Moving heads to target the green space, not the asphalt. 5. Minimal trench techniques. Finally, we use specialized trenching to reduce landscape disturbance, keeping the site clean. The results were transformative. The community cut water use by 60%, eliminated runoff, and saved $35,000 in annual operating costs. Residents got healthier lawns without the hassle of a full-scale construction project. By focusing on eco-innovations and smart retrofits, we proved that sustainability can be both seamless and highly cost-effective. Please look at the potential retrofit before you commit to a full demolition. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next brief.